Ever dreamt of owning a slice of paradise, a private haven where you can unwind, explore, and create lasting memories? Buying recreational land can be an exciting venture and a solid investment. But how does one navigate this process? Today, we delve into the ins and outs of this journey. Firstly, what is recreational land? It's a piece of property primarily used for leisure activities. Think hunting, fishing, camping, or even off-the-grid living. Some people purchase recreational land for personal use, while others see it as an investment opportunity. Whatever your reason, here are some steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Define your purpose. Why do you want to buy recreational land? Is it for hunting, fishing, hiking, or just a quiet place to escape? Knowing your why will help you identify the right kind of property. Step 2. Set your budget. Purchasing land involves more than just the initial cost. Consider ongoing expenses like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Don't forget about potential development costs if you plan to build on the land. Step 3. Location is key. Consider factors such as proximity to amenities, accessibility, and safety when choosing a location. Also, consider the land's terrain and natural features. A waterfront property might be ideal for fishing, while a wooded area could be perfect for hunting. Step 4. Conduct a thorough land inspection. This includes checking the property's soil type, zoning restrictions, and any potential environmental issues. You may want to hire a professional to help with this step. Step 5. Seek legal advice. A real estate attorney can help you understand the legalities of owning recreational land. They will review the title, ensure there are no liens on the property, and guide you through the closing process. Step 6. Secure financing. Depending on your financial situation, you might need to secure a land loan. Speak with a financial advisor or lender to explore your options. Step 7. Make an offer and close the deal. Once you've done all the legwork, it's time to make an offer. If it's accepted, you'll proceed to closing, which finalizes the purchase. In summary, buying recreational land involves defining your purpose, setting your budget, choosing the right location, conducting a land inspection, seeking legal advice, securing financing, and finally, making an offer. It may seem like a daunting process, but with careful planning and due diligence, you can find the perfect piece of recreational land that suits your needs and fulfills your dreams. Remember, the journey to buying recreational land is not a sprint, but a marathon. Take your time, do your research, and soon enough, you will have your own personal haven to enjoy. Whether it's for fishing at dawn, hiking in the heart of nature, or simply unwinding under the stars, owning recreational land presents a world of possibilities. So dream big, plan carefully, and embark on this exciting journey. Your slice of paradise awaits.